do one more conversation. Here we have, all right, informal greeting and farewell. So you're gonna see me right now. Hold on. All right. Do you see me well?
Yes.
All right, great. So let's see. I'm gonna share the screen right now, and share screen. Okay, this is dialogue 1-2. Informal greetings and farewell. Informal means between you and your friend, between
Yes.
you and your friend, like these two girls. So what they say, this is what they say. We have Jane and we have Helen. Okay? Jane says, "Hi Helen, how's it going?"
Hi Helen, how's this going?
Hi Helen, how's it going?
Hi Helen, how's this going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine.
Just fine.
Where are you off to?
Where are you off to?
It means where you're going. Okay, where you're off to means where you're going. To the library.
To the library.
I've got library.
Library.
Or British may say it library.
Library.
Okay. I've got a history exam.
Library.
Library.
Oh, library.
Library. I've got a history exam next week.
I'm going to a history exam next week.
I have got
a
history exam
history exam next week.
Next
week.
And need to start studying.
And need to start studying.
Start studying.
Studying.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well, I will see you later then.
I will see you later then.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Thanks. See you later. Good job. Okay. So how's it going means like how are you?
Yes.
And off to is an informal way to say where are you going? So here it means
you going? Yes.
Going to the library.
I understand.
Good. This is formal introductions between Margaret, Mr. Wilson, Dr. Smith, and let's see this conversation. Mr. Wilson. I would like to meet you. Dr. Smith. I would like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith.
I'd like to meet you. I'd like to meet you to meet Dr. Smith.
Edward Smith. Edward Smith.
Edward Smith.
This is a name of a person called Edward Smith. It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Dr. Smith.
Sorry.
Yes. Dr. Smith is an economist.
Dr. Smith is an economist.
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 Mist.
Economist.
Economist.
Economist. Economist.
Yes. He just finished
He just finished
writing a book
writing a book
on international trade.
on international trade.
Oh, that's my field too.
Oh, that's my field too.
I work for the United Nations.
I work for the United Nations.
In the development program by any chance?
In the development program by any
Chance.
chance.
Yes, how did you guess?
Yes, how did you guess?
I have read your articles on technical assistance. They are excellent.
Can you repeat it?
I have read your articles
I have read your article
on technical assistance.
on technical assistance.
Assistance.
Assistant.
Tense. Tense.
Assistant.
Tense.
Assistant.
They are excellent.
They are excellent.
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 It seems that there's letter that you don't know the S sound. Can you say S?
S.
S. S.
Excellent. Excellent.
Exactly. Okay, this is the S. So we say assist. This C, it's S pronounced. Assistance.
Assistant.
Assistant is like this one,
Assistant.
and there should be T. But assistance.
Technical. Assistant.
Assistance. Yes. Exactly.
Assistance.
Yes, that's it. Assistance. Good job. Economist is a person who studies or has special knowledge of economics.
Yes.
Someone who knows about economics. By any chance means the same as possibly. Notice the rising intonation which is used in yes or no questions to confirm that something is true. By any chance? Like this.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. You teach me a lot of things.
Yeah, it's nice. Okay, there is something also.
I think you are a good teacher.
I'm a good teacher, right? Sure. Okay.